Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of discussion is red cell enzyme defects, in which we discuss glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency. As we are discussing hemolytic anemias, in our previous lecture we have read about red cell membrane disorder, in which we discussed hereditary spherocytosis. Now there is one and other inherited genetic disorder in which we will discuss enzyme deficiency of glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase. Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency is an X-linked recessive disorder. The X-linked recessive disorders, as females have two X chromosomes, so therefore they require two disease alleles for the expression of the full phenotype of the disease. But in males, there is only X chromosome, and if males have abnormal genes on the X chromosome, it will represent in its full phenotypic representations. So, basically, clinically symptomatic patients are almost males. Basically, there is abnormality of Basically, there is abnormality in the hexose monophosphate shunt pathway due to G6PD deficiency leads to impaired normal enzymatic functions that reduce the ability of red cells to protect themselves against different oxidative injuries and infections. It can lead to hemolysis. There are hundreds of variants of G6PD deficiency. The most common types are: one is the G6PD Mediterranean, some are American black, some variants are present in American black. It is thought that G6PD deficiency leads to protection from Plasmodium falciparum infection. Basically, this diagram showed us when there is abnormality is site in the enzyme of G6PD, we don't have producing power of NADPH, which is help us for the destruction of various oxidizing agents. It will oxidize with the help of glutathione reductase. Most common oxidative agents are different infections which produce oxygen-derived free radicals. It include viral hepatitis, pneumonia, typhoid fevers. Different antimalarial drugs leads to hemolysis in patients with G6PD deficiency. For example, antimalarial drugs, pharmaquinine, chloroquine, sulfonamides, and with certain beans, fava beans, patients with G6PD deficiency leads to hemolysis. How these patients present? These patients, during the episodes of hemolysis, during the episodes when there is deficiency of glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, basically most commonly in the presence of certain drugs or infections, it leads to hemolysis. different drugs like anti-malaria drugs, certain infection, certain food like fava beans which lead to favism, and some newborn infants with G6PD deficiency presented with neonatal jaundice. Now, drug-induced hemolysis in G6PD deficiency. After the ingestion of certain drugs like, for example, anti-malaria drugs, patients have pallor, low backache, abdominal pain. Basically, in G6PD deficiency, there is intravascular hemolysis. So, as RBCs are break down inside the vessel, it leads to hemoglobinemia and hemoglobinuria. Therefore, the patient may have the history of dark color urine. On peripheral blood film, we will see Heinz body. We will discuss about it later. Then hemolysis due to infection, maybe due to pneumonia, some viral hepatitis, etc. Favism after ingestion of the food like fava beans. These patients present with hemolysis. How we will diagnose these patients? First of all, there will history of hemolysis. Then clinical feature, fever, jaundice, pallor, and lab diagnosis, in which we measure the level of enzyme. Lab reports. On blood CT, patient will have anemia. Retic counts of the patient will be increased. All features of hemolysis: anemia, increased retic count, increase in unconjugated bilirubin and LDH, and decrease in haptoglobulins level. These are the Heinz bodies. Heinz bodies are basically membrane-bound participants of the denatured protein, the globulin chains, due to oxidation. These are dark color inclusions which are seen with special stain known as methyl violet stain. There are certain white cells and enzyme assay in which we measure the qualitative or quantitative measurement of the G6PD enzyme. This is basically white cell. So, how we will diagnose these patients? HB level will be decreased, bilirubin retic count will be increased, LDH count will be increased. So, it will be hemolytic anemia. That test will be negative. In hereditary spherocytosis, MCHC will be increased. While what happened in G6PD deficiency, MCH will be normal and G6PD enzyme level will be decreased. On enzyme assay. So now we will summarize. G6PD deficiency is an X-linked disorder in which patient present acute intravascular hemolysis, patient present with neonatal jaundice or hemolysis after infection or certain drugs. On peripheral blood film, patient shows white cells. With special stain, we can see Heinz body. For diagnosis of the patient, we do enzyme assay of G6PD. How we will treat this patient? We stop the drug, treat infection. If patient is required transfusion, then we give transfusion and folic acid.